There are things you can do to repair your credit. Credit Boosters of El Paso and Las Cruces are the licensed and affordable credit repair solution for you. Call Credit Boosters at 915-449-6178 for affordable credit repair.
I appreciate Oscar and Bonnie so much. They did a great job with my credit repair. I have recommended them to all my family and friends.
Repair your life with better credit. Call Credit Boosters now at 915-449-6178. That's 915-449-6178. Credit Boosters, your affordable credit repair company.